Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to Fundamentals of Information System. I'm Professor Mary Jane Folioso, your online learning coordinator. Right now, our topic is about extending the organizations to customers. So the lesson provides students with a working knowledge of the principles and best practices for managing customer relationships. So the students learn how to quantify customer orientation and how to develop relationship-driven customer management systems based on the judicious use of resources born from a decisive strategic plan. Learning outcomes. First, define customer relationship management, customer touch points, and operational CRM systems and analytical CRM systems. Second, enumerate and discuss the goals of CRM. Third, identify the basic principles of CRM. Fourth, you're going to differentiate the two major components of operational CRM systems. Fifth, discuss the purpose of analytical CRM systems. So what is the customer relationship management, which is the CRM? A customer focused and customer driven organizational strategy. That is, organizations concentrate on assessing customers' requirements for products and services and then providing high quality, responsive service. So the goals of CRM, first, customer satisfaction. So every company wants their customers to be satisfied. Satisfied customers are more likely to return to make further purchases, as well as promote a company's good name and make recommendations to others. Customers more than ever want to feel engaged with the companies that they are dealing with, and so if they feel like they are being listened to, consulted with, respected, they will have a better user experience, which will make them more likely to return. So this is a customer satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied, in run an efficient business, in using CRM can help businesses to develop better working practices, especially with departments such as customer service. Implementing CRM services through your business can help you react to customers' queries and concerns quicker and more efficiently, will boost your productivity as well as adding your customer satisfaction. While introduce better marketing campaigns, if you can work out who to target and what communications they respond to best, then you will be able to produce more efficient marketing campaigns. The CRM data can show you this and enable you to profile target group, which may be underperforming in order to try to boost this area of your business, reach the goal of boosting profits. In gaining new customers, CRM will also help you to find out a lot of useful information about your customer base and will allow you to work out where there are gaps that need to be filled. Exploring the reasons why customers fail to make purchases or why they may not reach your company's services can help you to adapt new policies and techniques, which may help you to attract new customers. So the same principles apply to working out why previous customers have stopped using your services or why they might have turned to your competitors. So how about boost sales? In boost sales, so finally, this last objective is what drives all of the other objectives above. With so much competition in the market today, it is important more than ever that businesses stay relevant and keep offering new things to their clients. So by improving the way your business operates, how the customer interacts with your business and producing effective. So yung effective marketing strategies, you can hope to improve the way your business is viewed and encourage new customers, as well as ensuring that existing ones keep coming back. So this will boost your profits and help keep your company ahead of its competitors. So we have tenets of CRM, so the basic principles. So first, you're going to create a one-to-one relationship between a customer and a seller. Second, treat each customer differently. Third, keep profitable customers and maximize lifetime revenue from them. Customer touch points. So we have different customer touch points. Organization must recognize the numerous and diverse interactions that they have with their customers. These various types of interactions are referred to as customer touch points. So traditional customer touch points include yung mga telephone contact, direct mailings, and actual physical interaction with customers during their visit to a store. So organizational CRM systems, however, must manage many additional customer touch points that occur through the use of popular personal technology. So these touch points includes yung mga email natin, email websites, and communications via smartphones. Okay? Example of customer touch points. So data can be gathered and analyzed from customers using what are known as customer touch points. So these are points at which interactions may allow an organization to practice the above tenets of CRM. Smartphone, web, computer, physical store, sales representative, field service technician, direct mail, email, service center, customer service. So those are the example of customer touch points. So the operational CRM systems supports front office business processes. Front office processes are those that directly interact with customers, that is sales, marketing, and service. So we have two major components of operational management. So first, customer facing application. Second, customer touching application. We have facing and touching application. In customer facing applications, an organization sales, field service, and customer interaction center representatives interact directly with customers. So these applications include customer service and support, Salesforce, automation, marketing, and campaign management. So those are the example application or in facing applications. While in customer touching application, in contrast with customer-facing application, where customers deal directly with a company representative. Customers interact directly with these technologies and applications. Such applications are called customer touching CRM applications or electronic CRM or what we call eCRM application. So how about the benefits of operational CRM systems? First, it is efficient, personalized marketing, sales, and service. Second benefit, a 360-degree view of each customer. Third benefit, the ability of sales and service employees to access history of customer interaction with the organization regardless of the touch point. So those are the three benefits of operational CRM systems. So how about the analytical CRM systems? It uses customer behavior and perceptions in order to provide actionable system intelligence or the back end. Important technologies in analytical CRM systems include data warehouses, data mining, and decision support. So analytical CRM systems analyze customer data for a variety of purposes, including designing and executing targeted marketing campaigns. Second, interacting customer acquisition, cross-selling, and upselling. Third, providing input into decision relating to products and services like in pricing and product development. Fourth, providing financial forecasting and customer profitability analysis.